In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to n8n. This process will enable you to streamline and automate workflows, enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of your business procedures. So, let's dive right in. First and foremost, you want to open n8n. If you're using the self-hosted version, make sure your instance is running. Alternatively, if you're using the cloud version, simply log into your account. When you're at the n8n dashboard, you'll see various options available to facilitate the seamless integration of different applications and services. Next, you'll want to navigate over to the Credentials section. This is where you manage, view, and create the necessary authentication credentials for different integrations. The Credentials section is essential as it handles all the authorization that would enable applications to communicate securely and efficiently. Once you're in the Credentials section, find and click on the option that says Create Credential. This will open up a new window where you'll configure the credential needed for connecting Xero with n8n. Select the Xero OAuth 2 API from the drop-down list. The OAuth 2 is a widely used protocol that allows secure authorization for applications like n8n to access resources on platforms like Xero on behalf of a user. Now you'll need to enter the client ID and the client secret. These are unique identifiers for your application that can be acquired from the Xero Developer Console. It's crucial to handle these pieces of information securely as they play a vital role in authenticating your application and ensuring that your credentials are never compromised. After inputting your client ID and client secret, click on the Connect My Account button. This will initiate a connection request from n8n to Xero. You'll be directed to the Xero login page. Here you will need to sign in using your Xero credentials. It's important to ensure that you use the appropriate account that corresponds to the organization you're planning to link. Once signed in, you'll be prompted to select the organization, also referred to as a tenant, that you wish to authorize. Most businesses use Xero for multiple tenants, so carefully select the one you intend to integrate. After selecting the organization, you'll need to approve the requested permissions. Granting these permissions is crucial as they define the extent to which n8n can interact with Xero's data and resources. Review the permissions carefully to ensure they align with your intended use cases and security guidelines. Finally, after all the necessary permissions are approved, save the credential within n8n. Saving ensures that n8n remembers this authorization when running workflows accessing Xero data, lifting the burden of authenticating repeatedly. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Xero to n8n, opening doors for a multitude of innovative and efficient workflow automations. Happy automating!